What do I need, Mom?
New material
New material for what, Dad?
for your stand-up comedy routine.
Yeah, Cincinnati looks a lot better.
Your second calling.
What, do you think I exaggerate?
We never disappoint.
You
don't
never
want to
disappoint.
We don't ever want to disappoint you.
The sad thing is, Melinda, is that you're so much like me.
That's really scary.
Because you're...
Because I'm what, Dad?
Hope my cheap beads don't tarnish in this rain.
Because I'm what, Dad?
Awesome woman.
Man
Awesome.
never finishes his thought.
As you said when you were little, I say, I'll repeat the way you said it.
Thunderbird.
Melinda, you're punny.
You know, you didn't have to bring my speech impediment into this, Dad.
That wasn't a speech impediment, that was just cuteness.
Some things never change.